We are indeed blessed to have Dalai Lama Ji, His Holiness, in our school. And it was a beautiful aura that we witnessed, a beautiful ambience in our school. And His Holiness has blessed us all. And he talked about compassion, he talked about controlling our anger, living stress-free life. And basically he talked to the students about a bright future, giving future which is free from all war, all fights, and everybody lives in peace. This was the great message given by him to our students of our school and the world.
It was an awe-inspiring, overwhelming experience for me, listening to His Holiness, His teachings, and the way he told us about the existing modern education and how it needs to be revitalized, and how we need to work as educators, as educational institutions, how we need to work towards a better world, a happier world.
We know that we are from the 21st century and we have a lot of responsibility on our shoulders. We have done harm to this world and we have to improve it ourselves only. We have to improve our minds, our hearts, our souls, and we have to imbibe in ourselves a sense of responsibility. We have to be responsible towards our world. We have to be responsible towards other people, other 7 billion people except for us who are in this world. We do not have to think just about our friends, our family, ourselves only. We have to improve ourselves to the depth of our hearts, and we have to change our minds. We have to cleanse our minds. As we clean our body, we have to cleanse our minds so that we can improve the world, improve the society, improve ourselves. Thank you so much.